Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to classify polygons by their number of sides. It is a simple and fun way to name shapes. First, let us understand what a polygon is. A polygon is a flat, closed shape made of straight lines. It cannot have any curves, and there cannot be any openings. If a shape is closed and has straight sides, it is a polygon. The simplest polygon is the triangle. The prefix tri means 3. A triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 angles. It is one of the most common shapes you will see. Next, we have the quadrilateral. The prefix quad means 4. Any polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. This group includes squares, rectangles, and diamonds. If it has 4 sides, it belongs here. Moving on to 5 sides, we have the pentagon. Penta means 5. A classic example is the shape of a home plate in baseball. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. A shape with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Hexa means 6. You can find hexagons in nature, like in the honeycombs made by bees. They fit together perfectly. 7 sides give us a heptagon. It is also sometimes called a septagon. It is a bit harder to draw, but just remember, if you count 7 straight sides, it is a heptagon. 8 sides make an octagon. Octa means 8, just like an octopus has 8 legs. The most famous octagon is the red stop sign you see on the road. As we go higher, a shape with 9 sides is called a nonagon, and a shape with 10 sides is called a decagon. Deca means 10, like a decade has 10 years. Polygons can be regular or irregular. A regular polygon has all sides equal and all angles equal. It looks perfect. An irregular polygon has sides of different lengths and looks a bit stretched or squashed. Here is a quick summary of what we learned. We name polygons by counting their sides. 3 for triangle, 4 for quadrilateral, 5 for pentagon, 6 for hexagon, 7 for heptagon, 8 for octagon, 9 for nonagon, and 10 for decagon. Keep practicing counting sides.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.